If you have Milwaukee M18 batteries and tools like I do, and then you have all of these like, power banks to charge devices, or if you're camping, there's a power outage, etc. You're wondering, why can't I just use these big batteries I already have? We spent enough money on them. Well, you can with this device. This is from Cark, their power inverter made for Milwaukee batteries. This is a 200-watt power inverter, and you can see here it has flashlight, USB-C, 2 regular USBs, and a 3-prong outlet. Very easy to put in, and you can just swap these as you go. I got a bunch of these around, so just goes right on, nice and solid. You can see your battery indicator here on your Milwaukee battery, and then you can hit this to turn it on, and it'll tell your battery there too for some reason. And then you have a light with different settings. So you can see all the different settings on that. And then you can go ahead and plug in, charge your phone. If you're out on a job site, you can just plug this right in. And, like right now, this pair of headphones I have are very low. You can see they're at 9%. So I want to make sure I have my headphones charged while I'm on the job. Just plug it in right here with the regular connector. And then it's showing here it's charging. It's showing on here we're charging. Yep, everything's charging, everything's good. This thing works great, really useful. Again, also has a light, which is useful. And you have that 3-prong plug to charge. You could charge a laptop, etc. It's up to 200 watts. So you're not going to be able to like recharge like big devices off of it, like tools or anything like that. But just for most regular stuff, 200 watts can charge pretty good. But this is a great product, and I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.